everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest whipped cream. I think having a good whipped cream recipe is amazing. You can put whipped cream on anything and everything in your coffee, pies, cookies, cakes, tarts, anything you can think of, you can add whipped cream to it. So it's nice to have one that you can just whip up at home, you know what's in it, you don't have a bunch of outstanding ingredients you can't even read on the bottle. So I just love having this at hand, and it makes a small batch, but it can easily be doubled. It's absolutely delicious and so easy to make, and I just know you'll love it. So let's get started. I've got 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. When I start to blend this up, it's going to be very loose, very wet. Start on a low speed, and then it'll start to get frothy. And then from the frothiness, it'll start to thicken up just like this. And then you keep increasing the speed as it gets thicker. And then eventually you'll get to a point where it will start holding ridges, it'll start creating peaks, and then you can start checking to see what peaks you have. There's 2 different types of peaks you can have, a soft peak and a stiff peak. A soft peak is you have a peak but the top of it slightly slumps over. Just kind of tails over. And then a stiff peak is where it goes straight up. We want the stiff peak. You want the stiff peak, but you don't want to overmix. If you overmix your whipped cream, it'll start to get really chunky and not smooth. And you can fix this by adding a little bit more whipped cream to it and mixing it again. And that will loosen it up and you can bring it back together. Here I've got a stiff peak and it is ready to go. And I'm just going to transfer this to a little jar for storage. And there we go. It's that easy to make whipped cream. And look at how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.